go to school.
This is Tyler Ryler. He's on a hurry to school and forgets to put his seatbelt on. Watch what happens next.
Oh, that was a sick drift.
Now this is what would happen if you did wear a seatbelt.
Go to school. Always make sure to buckle up. Whoa, that was close. Good thing I had my seatbelt on for that one, otherwise I would have died.
So he didn't fly out of his car this time with his seatbelt on because Newton's law of motion states that object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by an external force. In this case, is the seatbelt.
So remember, buckle up, Buttercup.